Hello everyone, in this video I am sharing with you on the topic how to make money as a beginner using real estate knowledge in Nigeria. Now you don't have money for real estate, but you have knowledge for real estate. So you can make money and even own houses using that knowledge. The real estate sector in Nigeria is one of the most dynamic and profitable industries, offering numerous opportunities for those with the right knowledge and skills. Even as a beginner, leveraging your real estate knowledge can help you earn money without having to be a full-fledged agent. Whether you are interested in investing, consulting, or providing services within the real estate sector, there are various ways to monetize your knowledge, and that is what I am going to show you in this video. Here is how you can make money using your real estate knowledge right here in Nigeria. Number one, become a real estate consultant. So anything real estate, they will consult you because you are the one that have the knowledge. So they will consult you and ask you questions, and the consultation will not be free. It will be paid for, because if they don't pay, they will not pay attention. Now, real estate consulting is an excellent way to start earning money if you have in-depth knowledge of the property market. I repeat, in-depth knowledge of the property market. As a consultant, you can help individuals and businesses make informed decisions about buying, selling, or renting properties. You'll be advising clients on the best areas to invest in, market trends, legal documentation, and even valuation of properties. A well-established network and reputation will be essential for building a successful consulting business. Number two way that you can use your knowledge in real estate to make money is start property flipping. Property flipping involves purchasing properties at lower prices, renovating them, and reselling them at higher prices for profit. With your knowledge of the real estate market, you know which areas are likely to appreciate and what types of property are in demand. Though this method requires capital investment upfront, you can start small with affordable properties in up and coming areas and gradually scale up your investment. The next one is to engage in property management. Many property owners in Nigeria require professional property managers to handle the day-to-day operations of their properties. These include handling tenants, collecting rent, maintaining the property, and ensuring that the property is in good condition. By leveraging your knowledge of real estate, you can offer property management services and charge a percentage of the rental income as your fee. Number four is to start a real estate blog or YouTube channel because you have knowledge. Another way to generate income from your real estate knowledge is by sharing valuable insights through a blog or YouTube channel, as I'm doing now. In Nigeria, there is a growing demand for online content related to real estate. And if you have in-depth knowledge about the industry, you and people will flock to your platform for advice. Monetize your platform through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling digital products such as ebooks, courses, or even guides. Number five is to offer real estate investment courses. If you have substantial real estate experience and knowledge, as we say at the start of this topic, consider offering courses or workshops on how to invest in real estate. Many Nigerians are interested in learning how to invest in property, but they lack the knowledge to get started. By packaging your expertise into an online or offline course, you can teach others how to navigate the Nigerian real estate market and earn money from your knowledge. You see, nothing ventured, nothing gained. You will not know the extent that which people will patronize you until when you start this. Number six way is to assist with property documentation. In Nigeria, handling property documentation property documentation such as land title transfers, deeds of transfer, and other legal matter is a crucial part of any real estate transaction. If you have knowledge of the legal aspects of real estate, you can assist property owners, buyers, and sellers with property documentation for a fee. You can collaborate with lawyers or legal consultants to streamline the process and ensure all legal requirements are met. Number 7 way to make money from real estate with your knowledge is to invest in real estate investment trust. If you are not ready to purchase physical property, but still you want to profit from real estate, you can invest in real estate investment trust. These are investment vehicles that allow you to invest in real estate portfolios without directly owning the properties. In Nigeria, real estate investment trusts offer an opportunity for beginners to earn passive income through dividends and capital appreciation. By understanding the various real estate investment trusts available, you can make informed investment decisions and earn money passively. Number 8 way to make money from real estate using your knowledge is to become a property research analyst. As a beginner with solid real estate knowledge, you can start offering research services to property developers, investors, or real estate firms. By analyzing property trends, rental yields, location-based demand, and other factors, you can help these entities make informed decisions. Offering property research services allows you to earn money while also building a credible reputation in the industry. Number 9 way is start a real estate photography or videography business. High quality visuals are critical for showcasing properties in the real estate market. If you have a flair for photography or videography, consider starting a business that offers real estate photography and video services. With your real estate knowledge, you'll know what aspects of a property to highlight, and you can create compelling visuals to market properties effectively. Many property agents and property owners are willing to pay for professional visuals. Number 10 is for you to monetize your knowledge through real estate networking. Real estate networking is crucial for making deals and earning commissions in the industry. While networking, you can earn money by introducing property buyers and sellers to experienced agents or investors. Real estate agents often pay a finder's fee or commission for clients that you refer to them. By simply connecting people, you can earn money while expanding your network and knowledge base. So these are some of the ways by which you can make money by using your knowledge of real estate. If you know of any other one, which I'm sure you will, you can drop it in the comment section below and then we can brainstorm further. Now, if you have any questions or comments based on the content of this video, or you want to ask me any question regarding or relating to real estate or on how to make money online or offline, you can contact me by dropping your questions or comments in the comment section below. Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun is my name, and I'm the brain behind this YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and also let me know what you think about real estate in your own area where you are. If you are seeing this video, drop in the comment section below where you are watching from. I will talk to you in the next one, and before then, there's this video showing up for my channel now. Go ahead and watch it. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.